Do you feel nervous when someone said, introduce yourself? Don't worry. Today I'm going to tell you how to introduce yourself fluently, formally, confidently, using powerful vocabulary. Let's jump right in. In this video, I'm going to give you 15 questions with 3 answers each. I'm going to read only one answer. You can pause the video and you can also practice other two options yourself. Okay, let's jump right in. Tell me about yourself. I am a dedicated and goal oriented individual who believes in continuous learning and personal development. What is your educational background? I have completed my education from a reputable institution where I gained strong academic foundations. What do you do for a living? I am a professional working in my field with a focus on quality and consistency. Okay, what are your key strengths? My strengths include adaptability, discipline, and effective communication. How would you describe your personality? I would describe myself as responsible and dependable. What are your professional goals? My goal is to achieve steady growth in my career. Why should we choose you? I bring a strong sense of responsibility and commitment. What motivates you? I am motivated by personal growth and learning. How would you handle pressure or stress? I remain calm and focused under pressure. What are your hobbies or interests? I enjoy productive activities like reading and learning. What are your communication skills? I have clear and confident communication skills. How do you manage teamwork? I believe in cooperative teamwork. What makes you different from others? My consistency sets me apart. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? I see myself as a competent professional. Is there anything else you would like to share? I believe in continuous learning. So I hope you like all these questions. You can pause this video and practice these questions yourself. Tell me in the comments which question do you like most. See you in the next video.